Hey everyone, and welcome back to Reader's Bookshelf. Today, we're diving deep into 15 underrated self-help books that can totally transform your life. These are not your typical get-rich-quick schemes. In this video, we are talking about powerful resources on self-acceptance, overcoming challenges, and building a life you love. This is a short introduction to each book. We highly recommend you to read these books and imbibe their teachings into your heart. So, grab your notebooks, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. Book 1, The Gifts of Imperfection by Brené Brown. This book challenges our need for perfectionism and encourages self-acceptance with vulnerability, courage, empathy, and connection. Ditch the need for perfectionism. Embrace vulnerability, courage, and connection. Learn to love and accept yourself just as you are. Book 2, Quiet, The Power of Introverts by Cain. This book celebrates the strengths of introverts and provides tips on how to thrive in an extroverted world. Celebrate your introverted awesomeness. Discover the strengths of quiet power. Thrive in a world that can't stop talking. Book 3, The Happiness Project by Gretchen Rubin. This book chronicles the author's year-long experiment to test different happiness principles and philosophies. Explore different happiness philosophies. Design a personalized happiness experiment. Find what truly brings you joy. Book 4, Man's Search for Meaning by Viktor Frankl. A psychiatrist recounts his experiences in Nazi concentration camps and explores the importance of finding meaning in life, even in the face of suffering. Book 5, The Power of Vulnerability by Brené Brown. Brené Brown talks about the importance of vulnerability in building connections and living a wholehearted life. Book 6, Daring Greatly by Brené Brown. Following up on the ideas of vulnerability, this book explores courage, shame, and imperfection. Book 7, Feeling Good, The New Mood Therapy by David D. Burns. A foundational book in cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, this book offers techniques for identifying and changing negative thought patterns. Book 8, The Now Habit by Neil Fiore. This book helps readers overcome procrastination and develop the ability to focus on the present moment. Book 9, The Upside of Downside by Todd Hutchison. This book explores the importance of embracing failure as a learning opportunity and a stepping stone to success. Book 10, Stumbling on Happiness by Daniel Gilbert. A psychologist explores the science of happiness and why our predictions about what will make us happy are often wrong. Book 11, The Power of Habit by Charles Duhigg. This book explores the science of habit formation and how to change our habits for the better. Book 12, Essentialism by Greg McKeown. This book challenges the idea that we can have it all and encourages focusing on what is truly essential in life. Book 13, You Are a Badass by Jen Sincero. This is a self-help book with a fun and sassy tone that encourages readers to identify and overcome their self-limiting beliefs. Book 14, The One Thing by Gary Keller and Jay Papasan. This book argues that focusing on one thing at a time is the key to achieving our goals. Book 15, Digital Minimalism by Cal Newport. This book explores the concept of digital minimalism and how to declutter your digital life to make more time for what matters. So there you have it. These 15 underrated gems offer powerful insights to help you unlock your full potential and create a life you love. Which book piqued your interest the most? Let me know in the comments below. Want to see more self-help content? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more. In the description below, I've mentioned all these books for your convenience. Thanks for watching.